So hello there guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to be creating a Python project. As you can see, first I created a PyCharm project. I recommend you to first watch how to install PyCharm, which will be uploaded in the same day as of this recording of this, as of the uploading of this video. It may take time, but I use so much effort in editing that I do one day uploading. Means I upload the video in the same day, so that's good. So over here, just note that I'm also going to be linking the video in the description. I will first upload that video. So as you can see, what we have to do is to type input, and then the 2:. Now what we have to write here is, just for you guys, I'm going to go to settings. You don't really have to do this. Use custom font. Okay. Whoa. It's okay guys, I'm just going. Now what we have to do is input two double quotes, and we should write here hello. Wait, what is your name? And then we need to print before that. In here we have to type var1 equals, then we should write input what is your name, and print hello there, comma space and quote plus var1 plus, and then exclamation point, and then let's click on run main. Now what is your name? Let's write here Jack. Hello, now it says hello there Jack. Now note that in my first video I'll write a different name because it was not the one and only me. It was just another person owning this channel, and he just gave it to me. So now that's it. So let's maybe do some comments here. Hashtag do the result. Okay. And start, and sorry, do the teller function. Sorry, teller function, do the result. Ignore it like this. Okay, so it will just ignore it. Jack. So that's it. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you did smash the like button, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.